Would you believe me if I told you that being busy is actually your biggest advantage in this business? I mean, not only you succeeding, but I'm talking about getting to the six-figure mark faster, even faster than someone with a wide open calendar and nothing, let's say, holding them back. Well, I can say that that's true boldly because I have been both. My first cleaning company in my early 20s, I didn't have kids, I wasn't married, no mortgage, and I had all the time in the world. My current cleaning company, my brand new one, I'm married in my late 30s, two toddlers, and I have other businesses as well. So when it comes to my calendar, let's say it is very much on the full side of things. Now, this is the same industry, same business, completely different version of me. And this version is moving so much faster than the original cleaning business. But first, if you're new to me, my name is Mike Mack. I have built and scaled two successful cleaning companies, and I've exited both. I am now on my third cleaning company, three in three different states. And I help you build not just any cleaning business, a high ticket cleaning business that you can build on the side without blowing up your life. So I made a big promise for this video, and I'm going to deliver on it. This is where it starts for me. When my wife and I sat down and we were thinking about starting our third cleaning company, I'm gonna be real with you. I hesitated. Not because I didn't know what to do, it was because I've already built this thing twice. I know the model inside and out, but I had serious concerns about my calendar. And I had to sit there and think, like, can I take this on right now? So we honestly grabbed a pen and a pencil and mapped the whole thing out. And you know, we realized it was a nice reminder that 90% of this was gonna be delegated before we ever even opened the doors on this business. That was it. And from there, that was all we needed, and we were in. And that's because the version of this business I had in my head was how it was when I first started, where I was running around doing everything. That version doesn't exist for me anymore. Right out of the gate, I hired my first manager. She keeps me at home, making sure I never get sucked into the cleaning in case someone calls out. And then from there, I brought in a virtual assistant. Now she handles my emails, she keeps things organized. When I do walkthroughs, I send her the stuff to put together my proposals. She basically makes sure that nothing falls through the cracks while I'm out there living my life. And the cool part is the business is completely paying for them. 3 clients in, and I'm already past 6 figures for the year. Now, here's what I think most people get wrong when they look at starting this thing. They see a 22-year-old with nothing on their calendar and they think, man, they have it made to start this business. They have all that freedom, nothing pulling them in different directions. And then they get this kind of grass is greener on the other side feeling. But let me tell you something, free time without any capital is one of the hardest ways to build anything. Now, I know this because I was that guy. See, when I started my first cleaning company, I had the time, but that was about it. Every dollar that came in from that business had to go somewhere towards my bills, my rent, keeping the lights on, which meant I could not hire the person who would have saved me 10 hours per week or kept me away from the cleaning. I couldn't do something simple like buy my high ticket list of clients so I can get in front of those better clients faster. And that was ultimately because at the end of the day, that version of me, I couldn't afford to wait. And that pressure, man, it completely changes you. It makes you reactive. You take on clients you know you shouldn't take on. You underprice bids just to close something. And every month in that phase, you feel like you're one string of bad luck away from everything falling apart. I don't know about how you feel, but to me, looking back, that is 10 times harder. See, now I'm putting everything back into my third company. Manager right out of the gate, assistant, better marketing, faster, better tools. My list built the right way from day one. And here's the thing that really changes everything for you. I do not need this business to pay my mortgage, so I can be patient. I could wait for just the right clients. I can build this the right way without any of the panic. See, that patience, being able to reinvest without desperation is honestly worth so much more than just having an open calendar. See, that 22-year-old version of me is building under pressure. You are building from strength. Those are not the same game at all. And I want you to really, really think about what I'm saying and what this means for you day to day. See, the 22-year-old that we look at and say, oh, they have like, I wish I could do that. I would build this thing so fast. Well, that version can't hire that manager, can't get that assistant right out of the gate, okay? This person is still just trying to put it together by just stringing hacks and stuff he's finding online just to see if you can land a couple of clients. Ultimately, the person with all the time in the world is not someone you should envy. And it doesn't mean that person can't succeed. I'm living proof that you can. It just means if you're in a position where you're more established, you just have a lot more things on your calendar, you're better positioned to dominate right out of the gate. And that's because you can focus on what matters. Like me, you can hire that manager from day one to make sure you stay home and you're never in the cleaning. You can bring on that assistant who's going to handle the day-to-day where you get an email in case something actually needs your attention. Other than that, everything else is handled. And you can invest in the right things right out of the gate because you're not there sitting waiting for this business to rescue you. And because of that, you're primed to grow so much faster. See, being busy is not going to slow you down. It's going to fund your head start. 6 months from now, there are 2 versions of your life in front of you. Version 1 is you've started. You have the calendar with cleaners cleaning offices. You have high ticket clients, great people to work with, great cleaners, and you're pulling in a great chunk of change every month. And you're just 6 months in. And you have an asset that you could be proud of working completely on the side. And then there's version 2, where you're still telling yourself timing is not right. You're still waiting for a version of your schedule that is never going to actually get there. The busy person who starts today beats the person with all the time in the world. See, version 1, the version who starts, is going to beat version 2 every day of the week because the version 2 version of you is not going to start this business. It's just not. But I believe in my heart of hearts, you already know that. So if you're ready to stop the waiting and you want to start building this the right way, high ticket clients, real systems, and a business that actually fits around your life, then I want you to click the first link in the description, book a call, talk with my team, see how we can help you get there. If you prefer to learn a little bit more about how exactly you can make this a reality for yourself, watch this video right here because it's an excellent resource. Editor, add a pop there. I'll see you over there.